Henan Zhongrui Machinery specializes in designing and manufacturing a wide range of oil processing equipment, including oil presses, refining systems, filtration units, and complete production lines. Their products are engineered with advanced technology, ensuring high efficiency, durability. One of the standout features of Henan Zhongrui is its customer-centric approach. The company offers personalized services to help clients choose the most suitable equipment based on their specific requirements and budget. From initial consultation to installation, training, and after-sales support, in addition to quality and service, Henan Zhongrui also emphasizes environmental sustainability. Many of their machines are designed to minimize energy consumption and waste, aligning with global trends toward greener industrial practices. For businesses seeking to enhance their oil processing capabilities while maintaining eco-friendly operations. Overall, if you are in the market for reliable and efficient soybean oil processing machinery, Henan Zhongrui Machinery Co. Limited deserves serious consideration. With its cutting-edge technology, excellent customer service, and focus on sustainability,